Hello, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the topic of self-love. Self-love is really important because everything in our universe is energy, and the energy that you're giving out is what you're going to allow yourself to receive back. So the prime law of the universe is the law of cause and effect, and what you give you receive. And if you're giving from a positive energy, you're going to receive with a positive energy. So if you're manifesting all the different things that you're experiencing in your life, and you're telling the universe that I'm not good enough, I don't deserve to be loved, then you're going to receive results that will actually outline that you're not good enough and that you don't receive love. So loving yourself, having self-love is really important. Now, the problem that comes up for a lot of people in relation to self-love is they think that it relates to being egotistical or being vain. That's not really the truth. Now, if you love yourself to that point where you love yourself above everybody else and you think you're better than everybody else and you're diminishing other people because you're so good, then that is a negative thing. But it's really important that you love and appreciate yourself. And by loving and appreciating yourself, you're respecting yourself, saying, yes, I am absolutely amazing, but I am just as amazing as everybody else is on this planet. Every single one of us deserves to have a wonderful life, to have the most incredible experience. And it all starts with us. If you're in a relationship and you're constantly or unconsciously sending a message to your partner that, I'm not good enough, I don't deserve to be loved, I don't know if I, measure up, I don't know whether, I'm fulfilling my role in this relationship, then what's going to happen is that person is going to be sending that energy back to you. They're going to be highlighting things that you're not doing, areas where you're not good enough. And that's where a lot of conflict happens in relationships. So it's really important that we begin with ourselves. So know that you're amazing. Know that, yes, you're not perfect, but at the end of the day, you're the best version of yourself right now. And so it's really important that you begin loving yourself, appreciating yourself, because when you love and appreciate yourself, you're going to allow your partner or whoever else is in your life to love and appreciate you. Remember, the message that you're sending out is the message you're going to receive back. So it's really important that you love and appreciate yourself. Now, when it comes to, your manifestations, the things that you desire in your life, if you don't love yourself, if you're telling the universe that you're not good enough, that you don't deserve these good things, then how can the universe deliver that abundance that you desire? It's really important that you start setting the energy with yourself. Everything comes from within. When you have good energy within, when you feel good about yourself within, you allow yourself to receive the greater things in life and the things that you desire, the things that you're manifesting. So it's really important that you allow yourself to have self-love and that you appreciate, nurture, and respect yourself. Because when you have those energies, you're going to receive that from the people around you. You're going to receive that from the universe. And what's going to happen is it's going to build, right? When you give out that positive energy that you love and appreciate yourself, then people are going to love and appreciate you. And then you're going to love and appreciate yourself that little bit more. And then you give that out more. And then it's going to come back to you. So again, it's raising your energy. You love and appreciate yourself more. And so the more you love and appreciate yourself in a natural way, in a harmonious way with everybody around you, knowing that everybody else is worthy and deserving of love and appreciation and nurturing, then you're going to find that your experiences in this physical plane are going to be absolutely amazing. But it all starts with you. It all starts with you loving yourself. So what are some of the things that you can actually do to start loving yourself? And the first thing is stop criticizing, stop judging yourself for your past or your present. It doesn't help you. Let go of criticism. If you find yourself criticizing or judging yourself, just put a stop to it in your mind. Say no, cancel that, and then focus on what it is that you do desire. So what would you like to be in that situation? Yes, I am amazing. I am doing my best. I am becoming the best person I can be. Change the focus of your mind. So get rid of those criticisms, get rid of those judgments. Another thing that's really important for you to let go of is regrets. Every single one of us has done things in our lives that we regret. Every single one of us has moments or situations in our lives that we would love to have over again. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. What you've done is what you've done. Accept it, forgive yourself for it, and allow yourself to move on from it. That's the key. When you allow yourself to move on from that past regret, then all of a sudden you allow yourself to experience a lot more abundance, a lot more of the positive things that you actually desire in your life. So it's really important that you're letting go of regret. And the third one that you can do is start doing things that make you feel better about you. So what are little things that you can do? Like maybe buying yourself a little gift every now and again from time to time. It doesn't have to be going and buying yourself a brand new car or a new house or something. If you can afford to do that, then happy days, go for it. But at the end of the day, you can just do little things like, buying yourself a new pen, buying yourself something small, a new top, a new pair of pants, whatever it is. Just buy something, do something to reward yourself. Do little things where you're rewarding yourself. And that's a really important thing to do. When you show the universe that you deserve new things, that you deserve nice things, that you deserve gifts, then the universe is going to give you more. And that's how it works. So even if it's just buying a bunch of flowers for yourself, doing little things like that shows the universe that you are important, that you have value, and that you love yourself. And the last thing that is a really important one is start looking in the mirror, right? Whether you're clothed or whether you're naked, but start looking in the mirror and start loving what you see, right? So start with your face and work your way through your whole body. Look at your body and start loving and appreciating it for what it is. It doesn't have to be the perfect body. Nobody is perfect. Everybody, doesn't matter how amazing their body may look in outward representation, there's always something that they're not happy with. But what's really important is start loving and accepting your body exactly the way it is. And when you start loving it and accepting your body and the way you look, the way you are right now, then you'll allow those changes that you desire to take place. But if you're carrying some extra weight and you're resenting yourself for carrying that extra weight, it's not going to help. As long as you're resenting yourself, you're going to keep that energy there. So it's really important that you start loving and appreciating yourself. Look in the mirror, start loving what you see. Love yourself. Tell yourself that you are beautiful, because every single person is beautiful, regardless of what society thinks. Every single person is beautiful. Every single person is special. So it's really important that you love, appreciate, and nurture yourself and respect yourself. So start loving what you see in the mirror. So in our next video, I'll actually give you some downloads in relation to this. So if you like this video, like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share it with your friends. This is a really powerful healing technique that we use in Theta Healing. Now, not all of you are Theta healers, but some of the things that I've mentioned today, if you go through and work on those issues, using whatever modality, whether it's Theta Healing or something else, you're going to find that you'll have some really profound changes. So like the video, subscribe to it, and if you subscribe to the channel, you'll actually get notifications for upcoming videos. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.